Hey, welcome back to my channel. PROROK new remote control compatible for Onkyo. Compatible for most models of Onkyo AV receiver, such as TXSR501, TXSR502, TXSR503, TXSR504, TXSR505. New and high-quality remote control compatible for Onkyo AV receiver. Brand new, no need any program and work out of box after put the batteries. Compatible with TXSR501, TXSR502, TXSR503, TXSR504, TXSR505. Refund guarantee, 90 days warranty. If remote control is not suitable for your receiver, please contact us and we will refund 100%. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.